How to fix unable to upload files in Google Drive app. Let's get started. First, check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or mobile data connection. Switch networks if the upload is stuck or fails. Next, free up storage space. For that, launch your drive. Click on three bars. Navigate to the section Storage. If you're out of Google storage, delete files or upgrade your plan. Update the Google Drive app, so close this, launch your App Store or Play Store, search for the app Google Drive. Once app appears, if you find the option of update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next up, restart the app. Launch it, force close Google Drive and reopen it. Swipe up and close the app and again relaunch it. Likewise, enable required permissions. Go to Settings. Now scroll all the way down and navigate to the option Apps. From the list of apps, find Drive. Launch it. Now enable for the option Photos, Files or Local Network Access. Likewise, try uploading a different file. Test with a smaller file to see if the issue is file specific. Large files may fail without a strong connection or enough storage. Lastly, reinstall the app. Delete and reinstall Google Drive to fix persistent upload bugs. So press and hold on the Google Drive app, select Remove App, click on Delete App, click on Delete. Now launch your Play Store or App Store, search for the app Drive and then install it. Once completed, try uploading your file again. It should now work smoothly. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe.